Hi everybody, it's Nadia here, and I would just like to say welcome to my channel. And if you are new here, would love you to subscribe or leave a comment below, or even subscribe and tap the bell and leave a comment below, because even with my regular viewers, I would love some comments below to tell me a little bit more about yourself, because I actually don't know a lot of the things about you, and I know that you know a lot of things about me. So, you know, even if it's just things like your favourite pet, your favourite makeup line, your favourite product, just, I'm going to take them off because they're glowing, just anything that you would like to put in the comment section below. For me, what I decided today was that I'm going to be doing a full face of high-end makeup, and it's not really a review, it's more of me showing you what I'm going to use, obviously applying it, showing you the look. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll jump right into it. I am going in with the Fenty Beauty for my pores. Just got a pump, might be a bit too much, but it's fine. I do like this a lot. It's this primer. Don't use it often, but I do like it. And then under my eyes, going to be putting on the BECCA under eye. I don't think this is doing a lot, to be honest, and I'm just trying to use it. So it's an under eye primer. It's not necessarily something that I am gravitating towards, but I need to start using my products, so when I do use it, I don't notice any difference. So that's gone tacky now, so I'm going to go in with the Kevin Kwan Skin Illumination Foundation. So I'm just going to pump it onto my finger. Slightly bit pink tone this is for me. And then I'm taking a beauty blender and just going to, so it has gone nicely on the forehead. As you can see, I'm one colour again. Oh dear. Oh, I'm really gonna have to bronze up, aren't I? So for me, this is a medium coverage, a light to medium. I'm not saying it's a medium. I'm not going to take it all the way down my neck, because I'm going to just bronze properly all over my face. And now I'm just going to put a pump onto my beauty blender and put it where I want a little bit extra coverage. So so why? I don't know. It's like it's sitting on top of my skin, even where I've primed, even where I've not primed, it's sitting on my skin. It's just sitting on the bits that I didn't use that primer. It's still, I don't know. Anyway guys, I'm going into my MAC. Decided I'm going to start using a little brush to put it on, because it's easier. See, this is what colour my foundation should be, not this. So for a concealer, it's the It Bye Redness. And seriously, you do not need a lot of this. This is just to colour correct under my eyes. Goes a long way. It's actually darker than my foundation. I'm just going to blend that into the foundation slightly. And that's it. That's all I do. I took the littlest bit. Pot is going to last forever. It really is. And then taking my beauty blender and just, I'm pushing it into my skin. It doesn't need a lot, just a slight little push. And I'm going to be using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea in Fair. This is the concealer. And then I'm just using my beauty blender to blend that into the same skin type. Oh, I'm going to have to use a lot of bronzer. Before I set anything, I'm going to go in with my contour stick from Tarte. And I'm just going to use this. I thought it might blend nicer. That looks gorgeous. That really does. I actually like that better than the sponge. And then I'm going to be using the Chanel Soleil bronzer. I'm just going to take a stippling brush, put it in, and then I'm going to stipple, obviously, around my temples. This is such an amazing bronzer. It really is. The only thing is you have to remember to do it before you do your powder. Forgetting everything today. It's just warmed me up gorgeously. Then you can just keep building until you've got what you want out of it. This is definitely worth the money, guys, if you're interested in a high-end beautiful bronzer. So I am setting my under eyes with the Kat Von D Locket. I know the controversies on this, but I don't support what she says, but I like this, so I'm using this. I don't bake. Just push this into my... And you don't need a lot either. It's like the Kat Von D setting powder. Now I'm going to go into the Hourglass, the Ambient Light Edit palette from the Hourglass. And because I've got a nice glowy foundation on, I'm just going to take the top 3 shades with this big powdery brush and just turn it so I can get in just in them bits. And I'm just gonna push this into my skin so I don't take away the luminosity of it. And again, I don't seem to use this enough as well. NARS bronzer, and I'm just gonna warm up my cheeks a little bit more. Until you start putting the powder on, you really don't know, but this is just nice just to finish it off. For blush, I'm going to be using the Elizabeth Arden Beautiful Colour in the rose, in the colour Tea Rose, and this is stunning, guys. This is the package, and then gorgeous. Get some on there, and it's like butter wouldn't melt in your mouth. ILLAMASQUA in Epic. So that's the package, guys, and that's what it looks like. And I'm just, it just coats straight away. It's so good. And the more you build it into your skin, see there, I don't look like I've got it on there. And this one is not emphasising so much texture. Obviously, because I'm over the age of 40, I'm going to have texture, I'm going to have lines. But I don't claim not to. And the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in anti-age, because I've obviously of a certain age. So I'm just going to take my finger and smooth it into my eyes, just like this. I've got a Highend Dewy foundation setting spray, so I'm going to try this e.l.f. one. This is the Dewy setting mist in coconut, because obviously the all-nighter is a mattifying one. Oh, that smells like coconut. Just taking a beauty blender just to see that I've got no droplets. This is such a nice glowy look. For my brows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Brow Wiz. So guys, I'm going to finish my brows because you don't really need to see it all. I'll finish my brows and I'll be back with the eyeshadow. So my brows are on and I will be using the Alice in Wonderland palette. You taking the Urban Decay Heavy Metals, is it? Starting off with, I'm going to go into Looking Glass, which is this colour just here. I need to set this primer. I think I'm going to take this colour called Reflection and I'm putting that through my crease and slightly above, because we all know I've got hooded eyes. I'm going to go into this one, which is called Dormouse, but I'm just going to run that in my crease just to darken this slightly. This definitely feels more of a brown than it does anything else. You should just build till you've got your desired look that you want. Not put any extra product on, I'm just blending them together. And I'm going to go into this, Chessboard. It gives me the intensity I want. Ah, that's nice. So I'm just packing this on and like pushing it along. Go back in with that first brush and just blend them seamlessly together. I'm back in and I'm darkening it slightly. Paradox on the eyeballs, as they say. I'm just taking a little brush to start off with because this is a shimmer shade and Fallout. So that actually looks like the two colours that I blended originally. So I'm just going to smudge these two together so it's not such a hard line. Take a packer brush. I think I'm going to go into, I'm going to try this colour here first, and so I'm not going to use a packer brush, I'm going to use my fingers, and I'm just going to go and pat this on. Oh, that's beautiful, that's what I want. Again, just blending them together. So I didn't realise that my camera had cut out, and so I'm using the Superhero It Cosmetics, but obviously, like I said, I like it, I really do. I'm going to get my Feist from MAC and I'm going to line my lips with this. That's a beautiful colour on its own. This is the finished look. It turned out pretty different. Not what I wanted. I was going for a pinky eye, but it's still nice. It's glowy. It's gorgeous for the fall. So I'm pretty happy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did. I love doing these get readies with me. It's just, you know, sometimes when you start off with a video that you want to do and then I look you want to do and it turns out totally different. That's what I like about makeup, is you don't have to worry because it all turns out in the end. Again guys, if you enjoyed this, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of this, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap that bell, and it'll let you know when I bring out a new video. And also, I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.